Hey guys, my name's Andy Karch and I'm the Strength and Conditioning Graduate Assistant and also the Competition Director for StrongGator, which we just finished up. You can see him cleaning out back here. We had the guys flipping out big tires today. Looked like they came off of Optimus Prime. Some huge Atlas stones as well. We also had some yokes that were looking like they came from about 15th century Russia. They were some pretty heavy weight. Had an awesome sponsors coming out too. 47 brand gave us some awesome prizes. Fit to Run gave some gift cards as well, and Muscle Milk came out and gave a bunch of products, so we thank them big time. We also want to thank the competitors. 51 of them came out, males, females, and really just crushed it today. So thanks for checking us out, guys. We want to see you back next year, and it's going to be bigger and badder and better next year as well, so thanks for coming on out.